Hi everyone, in the fluency development series, here is the fresh edition of the verb and noun combinations. As you all know, speech is a series of action. You have to speak spontaneously and you don't have time for language processing. In fact, you are running against time at the time of speaking. Therefore, it is important to have very good command over these ready-made fluency word clusters. Also, speaking is an action. It requires very good command over action words. So the more the verbs are at your command, the more you are able to speak better. See here how the verbs and nouns are combined together to form the naturally occurring word combinations. These are extremely important word combinations which we use in our everyday English. Your ease and convenience of speaking mostly depends on action words you have at your command. So let's see how they are combined together. The first word is effect. Come into effect, cause psychological effect, counter the effect of something, feel the effect of something, have an adverse effect, have little effect, have no effect, have the desired effect, reduce the effect of something, suffer ill effect of something. Next word is error. Avoid an error, commit an error, contain an error, correct an error, detect an error, discover an error, eliminate an error, find an error, notice an error, point out an error, spot an error. Another word is fear. Live in constant fear, drive away somebody's fear, feel no fear, fill somebody with fear, have no fear, shake with fear, show no sign of fear, tremble with fear. Next word is fire. Cause a fire, come under fire, escape from fire, fan the fire, play with fire, pull something out of fire, put something out of fire, put something on the fire, set something on fire, stop the fire spreading. Next word is ground. Bring somebody to the ground, come to the ground, explain the ground, hold the ground, lie on the ground, lose the ground, prepare the ground for something. Next word is ability. Acquire an ability, appreciate somebody's ability, demonstrate your ability, develop an ability, lack the ability, overrate the ability, underrate the ability, trust in somebody's ability. Next word is access. Deny somebody access, give somebody access, have easy access, refuse somebody access. Another word is account. Give somebody account of something, handle somebody's account, keep detailed account, keep the account up to date, settle account with somebody. Another word is achievement. Admire an achievement, belittle an achievement, celebrate an achievement, exaggerate an achievement, underestimate an achievement, take credit of somebody's achievement. The last word is act. Admire an act, catch somebody in the act of, condemn an act, enforce an act, get your act together, introduce an act, name somebody in the act of doing something. I am sure friends you are improving your fluency gradually. Please like and subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Do take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. See you soon.